Hey there, tow trucker. We're back at it again. We pulled up on this. We got a truck over here. She called in. I towed the truck out of here last night and had a bunch of confrontations at 5 o'clock. The 5 o'clock impounds, man, they're rough. Anyway, this particular car right here, or this particular truck right here, was one that I impounded before. They paid it out. It's on one of my videos. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show the thumbnail right now. Check the thumbnail out. But these same two guys, I'm sure they're still here. So I'm gonna have to deal with these people again. And they were, you know, they were decent, man. When I dealt with them last time, they kept their cool, and they didn't flip too bad. But that don't mean they won't flip this time. You come back the second time, it's never better. It don't ever get better. The more you tow them, the worse it gets every time. So we're gonna go ahead. This is an ordered tow by the property manager. She basically gave them a month. They got trash bags in the back of the truck. And she's not gonna. It's that black Ford truck right there. She ain't having that, man. This thing's got to go. Flat tire, expired tag, garbage in the trunk. Look at the stickers on it. So we ain't gonna waste no time. It's got to go. That's just what happens, man. That's what we do. We yank cars, pull up, yank them, it's just how it is, man. Anyway, we're gonna sign it out and go to the yard. I'm sure we'll get something else on the hook here shortly. We've been impounding a lot of cars. Anyway. Hey there, we're back on it again, doing some impounds. We're downtown right now. We got some people that are taking advantage. Got some real entitled people that are taking advantage of the parking here at this place. And this manager, she ain't having it. So fixing to load up two cars. And this is a really tight parking area. It's having a hard time getting in, even getting in this driveway. Man, we're close to that pole. I gotta get this Taurus right here out. That's gonna be a tight pull out. I can get it out. Just gotta go careful on it. I gotta tow this Benz over here. I gotta get it too. That white Benz over there. Anyway, let's get to it. See if we can't get them loaded. I'm gonna try to go out that way. I'm gonna try to go out this way. I'll come back for that Benz right now.
All right.
Go. I got you.
Excuse me. Let's go up.
Hold on 1 second. I'm talking to this man, the valet. 1 second. Hey,
You got the wrong.
hey, let me let him out real quick.
You got the wrong car loaded. Hang
Okay,
on.
okay. Let me let him out. I'll pull up right here. I'm not leaving. I'm gonna pull up right here. Anyway, it looks like to me like somebody made a mistake down here. I don't know if that's the person that runs the property. I don't know who runs this property. I know they told me to tow a car. So I don't ask no questions, man. I load them up. You tell me to tow a car, it's fixing to get loaded. And that's what happened just now. They told me to load that Taurus up and the Benz. And it's on the truck. That's just what it is.
Yeah, my man, I'm gonna call Amanda and see what she says, but
Okay.
yeah, she basically saying move, so I don't know.
She said to tow. Manager said to tow it.
Yeah, but they trying to get their car back.
Well, who is it?
Right now.
Okay. It's got to be paid out, man. She ordered a tow, man. She told that's the right one, though.
Yeah, that's his car.
Okay, well, he's gonna have to pay it out, man.
Hey, Daryl, you say you got to pay it out. Like what? And Amanda's not picking up, man.
Yeah, she told him to have it towed, so I towed it, man. I'm on the hook. I can't. If I drop the car, my boss is gonna ask me where's my money at.
Amanda, man, I don't know. She was the one that told me to get the car towed. It's not on me. Hey, yeah, what you want me to do? Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. She said I gotta get told. Damn.
What's it gonna cost?
It's $100 to drop it, man. That's not my cash, man. It goes to the company,
Dude, all
dude.
this is over a $5 parking spot.
Well,
I
that
didn't know I
sucks,
had to
man.
pay daily.
That sucks, dude.
You know, I'm right here. Just call and say, bring $5
Let's see,
down
yeah,
here,
we-
of course, we'll pay.
yeah. Well, yeah, of course, yeah. It's company, man. It's not my money. It's company. Hey, let me write a receipt on it, and I'll drop it right here. You can put it back in the same spot. Let me go ahead and write it up. I'm gonna grab the other one. You gonna pay cash?
No, I got the debit card.
Oh, debit card. Okay. Well, listen. Call him. If you'll call, you got a phone on you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll take you all your card information right here. If you wanna call this number right here, he'll take it right now.
Okay.
And I'll give you one of those receipts right there. Okay. He just texted me you paid it. I know you paid it, man. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna give you this. That one's yours right there. Hey, you have a good day, sir. Hey, you waiting on a parking spot? I'm fixing to tow one right now. I'm fixing to tow that white Benz. If you want to park that in there, it might be a minute or two, but I'm fixing to remove one. There'll be a space open. Okay. So that girl there was waiting on a parking space, and I just cleared one for her, so she got a place to park now. Imagine that.